Difference between toughened glass versus normal glass. Hey everyone. In today's video, we're going to understand the difference between toughened glass and normal glass, and also find out which one is better for your home. If you're planning windows, doors, shower partitions, railings or tabletops, this video will help you make the right choice. Normal glass is the regular glass that we see in basic windows. It is formed by simply cooling molten glass. This type of glass is not very strong. If it breaks into sharp, large pieces, which can be dangerous and cause injuries. Normal glass is usually cheaper, so it's common in places where safety is not a major concern. Toughened glass, also known as tempered glass, is a heat-treated version of normal glass. It is heated to a very high temperature and then cooled rapidly. This process makes the glass 4 to 5 times stronger than normal glass. If toughened glass breaks, it shatters into small, blunt pieces, which reduces the risk of injury. This is why it is considered a safety glass. Normal glass. Low strength, breaks easily. Toughened glass. High impact resistance, suitable for safety areas. Normal glass. Cheaper, but not safe for high contact or heavy use areas. Toughened glass. Slightly more expensive, but long-lasting and safer. Where should you use them in your house? Windows in high floors, balconies, stair railings, shower cubicles, tabletops, doors. Always use toughened glass for safety. Small fixed windows or low-risk interior areas. Normal glass can be used to reduce cost. Final conclusion. Which is better? For most parts of your home, especially where there is movement, pressure, or risk of breakage, toughened glass is the better and safer option. It offers durability, safety, and peace of mind. Normal glass should only be used where safety is not a concern. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more home improvement tips. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.